Hi, welcome back once again in our video lecture. We are now in the topic first order linear differential equation. So this technique that I am presenting to you will be used only for a first order. As you can see, we are still in the first order, meaning our differential equation is in order 1. But this technique here is particularly is particular for the linear equation, whether it is linear in y or linear in x. Okay, I am presenting to you the standard form if we have a differential equation linear in y, and the standard form for the differential equation linear in x. Okay, so let's examine this standard form. So we have these derivatives here. We have the derivative dy over dx, and then plus, this is the standard form, plus some function of x that is multiplied by variable y, and that is equal to some function of x alone. Okay, so if in case we have this kind of differential equation, then we can use this technique. Okay, but first thing that you must do is to recognize if we have this kind of form, or we can have this first order linear differential equation. Okay, so once again, we have this derivative that is in order 1 because we are in first order, like what I have said, and then some function of x that is multiplied by y and equal to some function of x or q of x. Okay, which make it a linear equation since this part here is linear and this term here is linear and the other part is also linear. Okay, so this equation standard form here is the differential equation linear in y. Okay, we have the linear in y equation, and for the x, linear in x, the standard form is that the role of x and y will only interchange. Okay, so we have dx over dy plus some last time we have some function of x multiplied by variable y, but this time we have a function of y multiplied by variable x, and that is equal to some function of y, or let's call it h of y. Okay, in the last time we've discussed with the importance of the integrating factor wherein if we can find this integrating factor and multiply it in our equation, it will make our equation an exact. Okay, exact TE. So we will also gonna adopt this to find the integrating factor and then multiply it in our given first order linear differential equation in this standard form, or in this standard form, and make it an exact, and then we're gonna integrate both sides to finally find the general solution. And if there's any given initial condition, we may use it to find our letter C, or our constant C, and then to finally find the particular solution. Okay, so on the next video, I will be presenting to you some examples together with the steps on how to find the solution when we have this kind of differential equation. Okay, so see you on our next video.